everybody. I'm Bertrish. I'm one of the coaches, hygiene coaches with the Team Training Institute and Hygiene Diamonds. And I'm here tonight at our Blue Diamond Retreat with one of my new Blue Diamond coaching clients, Dr. Harvey Passes. And he's just been with me 3 weeks. So Dr. Passes, I was just wondering, like, you're very new to this procedure,
Absolutely.
right into this whole program.
Yep.
So tell us a little bit about what this has been for you.
Well, I got to tell you something. First of all, I'm in dentistry, if you include dental school. I'm in dentistry 49 years.
Oh, geez.
Okay, so I'm at the latter end of my career, but I love it so much, I don't want to leave it. I wish that Team Training Institute had been around at the beginning of my career. If it had been, I think my career would have been very different. It would have been easier, frankly. I would have had more direction. I wouldn't have had to struggle on the how. Everybody knew the what and well, the why, but this was great. Team Training Institute has absolutely presented the how, exactly how to do it. It's so simple. Just do what you're told to do. Don't think about it. Don't question it. Just do it. It works. It works. You've been with me now like 3, 4 weeks, something like that, short time. And already I've seen a tremendous change, unbelievable change. I have one hygienist who is terrific, and she must have had some stuff going on, I don't know what, and her production started to go down, and she wasn't what we were looking for, and then you came to the office, she's going back up again. And she feels terrific. You've given her purpose. You've given her meaning. She loves being a hygienist again. So I think it's terrific.
Yes, it is. And you know, my experience with Team Training was very much the same as Dr. Harvey. I mean, I was a hygienist for 29 years when we started
You
this.
don't look it.
Oh, thank you. I'm a lot older than I look. I'm about to have a birthday. We won't talk about it, right? So here's the thing. You know, I'm 29 years a hygienist. I think I'm the best hygienist around. My boss used to tell me on the regular that I was really good. But then Wendy walked into my life, and she showed me the why, the what, and more importantly, the how, as Dr. Harvey is talking about. And all of a sudden, I had new purpose. I was a better hygienist because of it, and my production numbers started to increase, which was really fantastic.
Which is what we've seen
Yes.
through your training.
Yes, I mean, his hygienist is already at a 70% fluoride acceptance rate, which is, we expect 80, and in 3 weeks she's already there. So she's done extremely well with this. So any of you out there that might be thinking, you know, I need a coach, I'm not real sure who to get.
You have to ask Team Training Institute, and you have to have Bert. Bert is fantastic. Look, I know you're watching this video. Call me. I'll be more than happy to speak to you. I'm in Great Neck, New York. That's on Long Island. You can call me at 516-487-3131. You won't regret it. I haven't.